Now these have wilted back enough, we're going to go ahead and harvest these this afternoon. I'll let it get a little warmer simply because I don't want to get my hands cold. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Monday, November 21st. We didn't put an episode out yesterday. We spent most of the day raking leaves. We made some progress on putting deep mulch down. Let's go ahead and open up these last coal frames. Look what I'm having for lunch. That cold weather, your radishes get a little frost on them. Got a nice sweet taste. That reminds me, let's go ahead and take a look at the horseradish. Well, what do you think? Pull these up. Well, it was coming. Wow. There's something down in here. Well, there's one pretty good root. See what else we got. I think that's it. I think that's it for that. Oh, there you go. That was pretty good size. We got some pretty good horseradish coming out of those buckets. We're gonna go ahead and process some so we got some horseradish sauce for the rest of the winter. You wanna save some of this to plant for next year? Just put it in a loose plastic bag, kind of wrap it up and then put it down in the crisper in your refrigerator. And it'll stay good for a couple months. February or March, we'll go ahead and put these in some small containers and get them going. And then we'll put them back out in the bigger pots. There's enough here to make a couple different kind of horseradish sauces to last us through the winter and still have enough to plant for next spring. I do want to thank you for stopping by and helping me take a look at the garden. And, well, hi, kitty. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.